Good morning, Wednesday morning. Time to hit the road again. Haven't been camping for a while. On my way up to the Midlands area. Chat later. Cheers. I got to Bushwillow Park. In the shade there's a cool breeze, but in the van and in the sun it's nice and hot. Like a nice hot winter's day. A couple of vans here, and trip here was a bit iffy. In Hillcrest, a guy with a bucky, fast asleep or not fast asleep, just being doff, with my indicator on, busy turning to go onto the freeway. He passed me on the right hand side. He flew past me. He nearly collided with me. And then about halfway here, I saw the guy approaching from behind the bucky with a caravan, and a truck in front of me just swerved right in front of him, and he had to lock tires. All the wheels were smoking as the guy locked brakes with this truck just turning in front of him. Also very stupid. People on the road, some of them just don't care about the rest of us. But otherwise, looking forward to staying here for a week. So far, so good. I can see they've had a lot of rain here. I think this is the fullest I've seen this bottom dam. Lots of water. Good morning, Thursday morning. What a beautiful and peaceful morning. Eight degrees. Something caught a bird. This has changed from I was here last time. Sure, we went through that way and up the mountain that way. Anyway, still gorgeous and peaceful and quiet and beautiful. very orange tree. Orange, brown, rust color. Back in the pine forest. You can hear the stream again. There it is. Over there, far away, I can see one of those red markers on a tree. Don't know how of this. Yeah, most probably loops all the way around. I'll go down a little bit this way. I remember from long ago, there is a road in the forest there that you can take back to the caravan park. So I don't know if that's that one there. Unfortunately, I didn't download a more precise map of the area, so I don't know exactly where I am. Well, I know where I am, but I can't see all the footpaths and the roads. So not to worry, I won't get lost, because I can navigate back with my maps or follow the trail. Just walk a bit through the forest here and see what's on this side. If I went down another 10 or 20 meters, I would have got the path. The path is just there and it comes around the corner here. And yeah, so cutting short through here didn't do much. Here's the mark I saw from the other side. There you go, there's the road. I can't remember, somewhere around here there used to be a big rock, and there's a story to this thing about, it was called Leopard's Rock. I'll have to try and find out again what the story was. Good morning, Friday morning. A beautiful sunrise this morning again. And there are like 60 tents here with a bunch of boys from Michael House. Oh, what a load of noise. Very noisy, these hardy-das.